Do you eat your foods unpeeled? Usually, we always peel foods before eating them, right? However, eating unpeeled fruits and vegetables avoids food waste and also adds more fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to your diet. Did you know that? Many people also peel their foods to try and reduce their exposure to chemicals. If you want to learn how to properly wash your foods to get rid of pesticides, watch the suggested video where we teach you the step-by-step. But if you eat organic food, you will now learn why you should eat them unpeeled. Did you know that the peels are the part that receives the most energy from sunlight? The peel protects the inside of the fruits from weather, and they contain more fiber and flashy colors, thus more nutrients. See now why you should eat your food unpeeled. Give more satiety. Eating fruits and vegetables with their skin can reduce hunger and make you feel satiated for longer. Did you know? This is mostly thanks to their high fiber levels. Even though the amount of fiber varies from food to food, fresh fruits and vegetables contain up to 1/3 more fiber than when their external layers are removed. Isn't it interesting? Nutrients. The amount of nutrients varies with each food. However, in general, when compared to their peeled counterparts, unpeeled foods contain higher numbers of vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds. A raw, unpeeled apple contains up to 332% more vitamin K, 142% more vitamin A, 115% more vitamin C, 20% more calcium, and 19% more potassium than a peeled apple. How amazing is that? Peels also contain more fiber and antioxidants. Up to 31% of the total amount of fiber in a vegetable is in its skin. Besides that, the antioxidant levels can be 300 times higher in the peel than in the pulp of a fruit. So eating your fruits and vegetables unpeeled can boost your nutrient intake. Are you enjoying the video? Leave a comment to let us know if we are contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Prevent diseases. Did you know that fruits and vegetables contain antioxidants? The main function of an antioxidant is to fight unstable molecules known as free radicals. When the free radical levels are too high, they can cause oxidative stress, which harms the cells and increases the risk of diseases. Antioxidants can help reduce the risk of heart diseases and certain types of cancer. According to a study, peeling a peach reduces the number of antioxidants in it 13 to 48%. In another study, the antioxidant levels were 328 times higher in the skin than in the pulps of fruits and vegetables. Are you curious to learn which foods you can eat unpeeled? Some of them are plums, pumpkin, zucchini, asparagus, potatoes, eggplants, carrots, cherries, mushrooms, peas, apricot, apples, cucumbers, peaches, pears, peppers, grapes, and kiwis. But before you start eating everything unpeeled, be sure to check the origins of your foods and opt for organics. The peel is where we find the highest concentration of pesticides that are harmful to our bodies. Tell us, did you already know the benefits inside a fruit peel? If you already had the habit of eating unpeeled foods, share with us which ones you like to eat, skin and all. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.